Welcome to Elite Service Masters channel. Today we're pulling back the curtain on a serious issue that could be lurking right in your own home. While everything might seem fine on the surface, your house could be hiding some dangerous problems that are affecting its safety, comfort, and value. Let's dive into some common yet often overlooked issues that you need to know about. These hidden threats can cost you a fortune in repairs if they go unnoticed, but don't worry. We've got you covered with everything you need to watch out for. First up, let's talk about water damage and mold. You might think you'd easily notice if water is damaging your home, but it can creep in unnoticed through tiny cracks, leaky pipes, or even faulty roofing. The key areas to inspect are your basement, attic, and around windows. You might spot discoloration on your walls or ceilings, or a damp, musty smell. If you find any of these signs, you could be dealing with mold, which can pose serious health risks. It's a sneaky enemy that thrives in damp environments, and once it gets into your drywall or wood, it's a major headache to remove. Catching it early is crucial, so always be on the lookout for the smallest signs of moisture. Next, let's move on to pests. No one wants to admit they could have a pest problem, but it happens more often than you think. Termites, rodents, and even ants can cause massive damage to your home. For termites, keep an eye out for hollow-sounding wood or mud tubes along your walls. With rodents, it's the droppings or gnawed areas that give them away. These pests are not only damaging, but they also carry diseases. Regular inspections around your foundation, attic, and even the kitchen can help prevent an infestation before it spirals out of control. Now, how often do you think about your HVAC system? If you're like most people, it probably only crosses your mind when it stops working. But regular maintenance is key to keeping it in top shape and preventing bigger issues. Dirty air filters, clogged vents, or neglected units can reduce air quality in your home and even pose fire risks. Not to mention, a malfunctioning HVAC system can lead to skyrocketing energy bills. Make it a habit to clean your filters every couple of months and have a professional inspection at least once a year. It's better to deal with a small issue now than a full system breakdown later. Moving on to electrical hazards, these are some of the most dangerous issues that can hide in plain sight. Faulty wiring, overloaded circuits, and improper installations are ticking time bombs. Have you noticed flickering lights, a burning smell near outlets, or frequent tripped breakers? These are major red flags that something is wrong with your electrical system. Always have a licensed electrician check it out if you see these signs. A small spark today can turn into a devastating fire tomorrow, so don't take any chances. While we're talking safety, let's not forget the importance of checking your home's foundation. Cracks in walls, doors that won't close properly, or uneven floors could be signs of a shifting foundation. This can happen due to poor drainage, tree roots, or even just the natural settling of the house over time. If you see any of these symptoms, it's a good idea to bring in a structural engineer. Foundation issues can be incredibly costly to fix, but catching them early can save you thousands. Let's wrap this up with one last important tip. Don't forget to check your home's insulation. Poor insulation not only makes your home less energy efficient, leading to higher bills, but it can also cause moisture buildup, which, as we've mentioned, can lead to mold. Make sure your attic is properly insulated and check for any gaps in doors or windows where heat or cold air might escape. A little attention here can make your home much more comfortable and save you money in the long run. So, what's the takeaway? Regular inspections and maintenance are the keys to keeping your home safe, comfortable, and valuable. You don't need to wait until something breaks or becomes obvious. With a little bit of proactive care, you can avoid costly repairs and keep your house in top condition. If you're a new homeowner, this information is gold for preventing any nasty surprises. And if you've been in your home for years, don't assume everything's fine just because it looks okay. Even the smallest issues, if ignored, can turn into big problems down the road. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has helped you feel more empowered to take control of your home's health. If you found this information useful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tips on how to maintain and improve your home. Remember, at Elite Service Masters, we're here to help you protect one of your most important investments, your home. Stay safe, stay aware, and we'll see you in the next video.